These foods clean your arteries and can prevent a heart attack. Heart issues are the main reason for most deaths in a lot of countries. A significant hazard calculates for both heart attacks and stroke is clogged up veins, which can intrude on the bloodstream all through the body. Stress, the absence of development, and particularly unfortunate eating all contribute to increased rates of heart attacks. In any case, rolling out a couple of small improvements to your diet regimen can radically bring down your likelihood. Welcome back to another episode of All Out You, the home of health and wellness on YouTube. We believe that if your mind and body are not right, then the rest of your day will go all wrong. Start each day on the right foot by subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest health and wellness videos. In today's video, we're going to be looking at our list of foods that clean your arteries and can prevent a heart attack. Let's get to it. Salmon. Salmon is thought of as one of the healthful foods available out there for your heart. The purpose behind this is the number of healthy unsaturated fats that are actually discovered in the fish. It assists to lower and forestall elevated cholesterol, inflammation, and triglyceride levels. Further, healthy fish alternatives are herring, tuna, and mackerel. Obviously, it's best to purchase organic fish as it's more beneficial. Orange juice, a pure squeezed orange full of antioxidants that help keep healthy vessels. Squeezed orange is also known to bring down the levels of blood pressure. 2 glasses of freshly squeezed orange juice every day are sufficient to cover your day-by-day prescribed estimation of vitamin C and give you adequate minerals and vitamins to affect your health and well-being emphatically. Coffee. Yes, at last, there's a healthy and valid reason and motivation to have that precious cup of joe in the morning. Studies have demonstrated that getting a charge out of 2 or so cups of coffee amid the day can bring down your risk of having a heart attack by almost 20%. Be that as it may, remember that coffee can also have negative effects on your stomach, and too much caffeine is not good for you either. Nuts. Nuts have for quite some time been known for their plenitude of healthy fats. These incorporate unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids. Not just are these beneficial for your cholesterol levels, they also have an advantage on your memory and joints. Almonds and walnuts are exceptionally high in these healthy fats. One modest bunch daily can have a significant effect. Persimmons fruit. Rich in fiber and nourishing sterols, persimmons can help bring down your cholesterol levels. These heavenly organic products are sweet and delicious increments to plates of mixed greens or even cereal. Turmeric. Turmeric contains large amounts of curcumin, which has numerous positive qualities. The spice anticipates overactive fat stockpiling and brings down the inflammation of the tissue. Turmeric makes a great expansion to many dishes and furthermore makes a very tasty tea. Green tea. Green tea is notable for its refreshing and soothing effects simultaneously. One explanation behind this is the catechin contained in the leaves of the tea. This cancer prevention agent brings down cholesterol retention and supports digestion. Make a cup of tea, or perhaps 2 each day, is sufficient to give the greatest benefit. Watermelon. The personification of watermelon is not just revitalizing, it broadens veins by advancing the creation of nitric oxide. An occasional bit of watermelon can work miracles, and it tastes like heaven itself. So either have it as it is or blend it to make juice. Either way, you are going to love it. Whole grains. Whole grain flour is also a compelling approach to counteract elevated cholesterol. It is rich in fiber, which easily binds with cholesterol, keeping it from gathering in the arteries. Nourishments high in whole grains don't just keep cholesterol from working up, they additionally help to separate any existing development. Cheese. Cheese doesn't generally have the best reputation with regards to cholesterol. However, in the event that it's not eaten in overabundance, it can actually bring down the cholesterol level and also your blood pressure. Seaweed. The rundown of healthy ingredients in seaweed is super amazing. It's rich in various vitamins, minerals, cancer prevention agents, proteins, and carotenoids. Consistent utilization can help normalize the blood pressure and expand veins, both of which are valuable for blood flow. Individuals who routinely eat seaweed can bring down their cholesterol levels by up to 15%. Cranberries. Cranberries are an awesome source of potassium. In the event that you consistently drink cranberry juice, you'll raise levels of healthy cholesterol and lower the risky ones. Drinking 2 glasses each day has been appeared to bring down your danger of heart attack by up to 40%. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just delightful in tea or baked items, it's additionally an essential ingredient for battling elevated cholesterol by forestalling development in passages. Indeed, even 1 teaspoon every day can have a visible impact. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are high in phytochemicals that actually advance nitric oxide formation, which is a great approach to help blood circulation. This fascinating fruit makes for a wonderful addition to servings of salad, or you can appreciate it as a top-notch reviving juice. Spinach. Not just useful for Popeye's muscles, spinach helps with clearing the arteries and lowering blood pressure. Despite the fact that the myth of spinach's high iron substance has since been exposed, it is as yet known to be rich in folic acid and potassium. Both of these lower your risk of having a heart attack and upkeep your muscle tissue. Olive oil. Greeks and Italians have long known the key to great well-being by consuming olive oil of high quality. Cold squeezed olive oil endows your body with healthy fats and brings down cholesterol levels. This can bring down the danger of having a heart attack by up to 41%. Broccoli. This green power vegetable, detonating in vitamin K, keeps calcium from perching in your arteries. It additionally is gainful to cholesterol levels and blood pressure, regardless of whether eating it raw as a nibble or as a major part of a full dinner meal. Broccoli is rich in nutrients and an amazing addition to your diet. Avocado. It's not a puzzle that avocados are super healthy for you. The fats found in avocados advance a solid harmony amongst both the good and bad cholesterol, which is imperative for healthy arteries. This versatile fruit is heavenly in servings for salads, with bread, or all alone with a little bit of salt and pepper. Asparagus. Asparagus is a Herculean warrior against elevated cholesterol. The supplements in asparagus anticipate the clogging up of veins and blood vessel inflammation. Asparagus is tasty as a primary dish, in soup, or used as a side with pasta or potatoes. the end of this video all about foods that clean your arteries and can prevent a heart attack. Which of the foods included in this video will you be adding to your diet? Get involved and let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it interesting and useful, don't forget to subscribe to All Out You so you never miss any of our latest and greatest health and wellness videos as soon as they're uploaded. As always, thanks for watching. See you again soon in the next video.